Yes. So, very good evening to everyone, and I welcome all the members who joined today's session. I am truly delighted to have you here, and I hope you all are doing great in your life. You are learning something, and with that, in today's session, what we do, uh, I will give some Hindi sentences and Hindi story initially to every individual, like some short story that you have to translate it. Okay, it is not going to be very complicated because it has some like 3 or 4 lines maybe. So that lines you have to make the sentence, and I hope you will use good vocab there. That will also help you to like communicate and engage more. So without waste of the time, I would like to start with first member. So this time I want to call Sumit sir.
Okay, I'm here, sir. Please.
Yes sir.
Sir,
So first, sorry.
please start.
Yes sir. So okay. So first sentence है just a second. हाँ, रवि को सड़क पर एक पर्स मिला, उसमें पैसे और पहचान पत्र था। उसने बिना लालच के पर्स मालिक को लौटा दिया और मालिक बहुत खुश हुआ। रवि को सच्ची खुशी महसूस हुई।
Okay. Ravi, he got one wallet on road, and he thought to return that wallet to the concerning person, those who lost that wallet. And when he has returned that wallet to that person, then that owner of that wallet, he got much happy at him, and they appreciate a lot to him. I think I made different. It's okay.
It's not okay completely, but you have tried, sir. So not an issue. You will get more chance. Okay. So now second member I want to call Anup sir.
Yes, please.
अनीता जल्दी सफलता चाहती थी, लेकिन बार बार असफल हुई। उसने हार नहीं मानी और रोज मेहनत करती रही। कुछ समय बाद उसे सफलता मिल गई।
Sunita was wanted to succeed, but he didn't success initially. But she was diligent and she worked hard. But after some time, she succeed.
Eventually she succeed. Okay, you have tried, sir, and 70-80% you have covered up the things. So let me know, is this helpful or just it is going to be difficult, Sumit sir?
It is helpful for all of us.
It's okay.
Okay. Whenever you are feel, so please let me know. I will change the topic or okay. So now I would like to call the next member, Ajay sir.
Yes.
Yes sir. So the next short story. एक लड़के ने अपने भूखे दोस्त के साथ खाना बांटा। अगले दिन उसी दोस्त ने पढ़ाई में उसकी मदद की। दोनों अच्छे दोस्त बन गए।
The one boy shared his food to the another boy. Then both became a good friend later on.
Yes, the one line that you forget, that the same like initially that boy he feed to his hungry friend, and then next day that same friend he helped him in study. But nice sir. Yeah, you also covered 80%, sir. Thank you. Okay, so now next member, Himanshu sir, it's your turn to speak.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so next है रोहित कई बार असफल हुआ। लोग उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे, फिर भी उसने कोशिश जारी रखी और अंत में सफल हो गया।
एक बार और रिपीट करोगे?
यस सर। ओके। रोहित कई बार असफल हुआ, लोग उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे, फिर भी उसने कोशिश जारी रखी और अंत में सफल हो गया।
Rohit faced failure lots of time, but he continues his hard working and dedication. But he got and people's make fun of him, and he got success.
Right, sir. Very nice. You have covered the story. Okay. So next, David here, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone.
So may I ask you, sir?
Yep, please, sir.
ओके। सो नेक्स्ट है, नेहा समय बर्बाद करती थी। एक दिन वह परीक्षा के लिए देर से पहुंची, तब उसे समय की अहमियत समझ आई।
Neha was wasting time. One day she reached late. Then she understood the value of time.
Nice, sir. Nice. You have covered the, yeah. Okay. So this time, Sarad sir. Sarad sir, are you there?
जी 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 प्लीज आस्क।
ओके। सो नेक्स्ट है, अमन बीमार था, उसके दोस्त रोज उससे मिलने आए और उसकी मदद की। अमन को सच्ची दोस्ती का अर्थ समझ आया।
Okay. Aman was ill, so all friends they were coming every day to meet him, and after that, Aman got meaning of true friend, true friendship.
यस।
Mhm.
ओके। सो नेक्स्ट है, इट्स टर्न फॉर सुमन मैम। यस मैम। सो प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली। मीरा को बोलने से डर लगता था, उसने रोज अभ्यास किया और धीरे धीरे उसका आत्मविश्वास बढ़ गया। यू गॉट इट मैम?
सर रीना
मीरा, मैं वापस रिपीट
मीरा
करता हूँ।
ओके
हाँ,
ओके
मीरा को बोलने से डर लगता था, उसने रोज अभ्यास किया और धीरे धीरे उसका आत्मविश्वास बढ़ गया।
मीरा was scared speaking, but she is practice every day. Even even she is success, one day success.
Yes, some small error, but yeah, it's completely you have tried to speak. Nice. Okay. So, Sarita ma'am, I asked you or not?
No, sir. That's why I
Okay,
wanted
okay.
to message that I am present, sir.
Okay. Sorry, I might forget you. Okay, so it's your turn to speak. Next sentence है, एक किसान रोज खेत में मेहनत करता था, लोग उसे कमजोर समझते थे, फसल के समय उसकी पैदावार सबसे अच्छी थी।
Completed.
हाँ।
A farmer used to do hard work in his field, and all villagers thinks they have opinion about him that he's weak, but at last he got large production of crops as compared to the all.
Yes, ma'am. You are also covered the whole story. Okay, thank you. Yes. So now again start with Sumit sir. The same thing I am doing. Yes.
Did you ask to Siba ma'am?
Yes,
Siba
sir.
ma'am.
You can
Okay.
ask.
Okay. It's your turn, ma'am. So एक लड़के ने गुस्से में गलत शब्द बोल दिए, बाद में उसे पछतावा हुआ और उसने माफी मांगी।
One.
When boys use abuse word for someone, and after some time he realized that it was really bad, and after that he said sorry to that person.
Yes, very nice. Okay, so first round we have done. Again, I am starting with yes, sir. Ajay, sir, you want to speak something?
No, please go with second round.
I want you will also give the correct answer. When the candidate will answer, then you will repeat the correct answer. It will be
Yeah,
benefit for
sure.
all of.
Yeah, definitely I will cover it. Okay, so the next again starting with Sumit sir. एक लड़का रोज सुबह जल्दी उठता था और व्यायाम करता था, फिर स्वस्थ और खुश रहता था।
Okay. A boy was there who goes daily for the exercise. For that, he used to live fit and fine all time.
Okay, I am repeat once again it. A boy woke up early every morning and exercised. He remained healthy and happy.
Okay.
But we can make as per our as per us. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah. So next है, एक लड़के ने अपने भूखे दोस्त नहीं सॉरी ये तो मैंने पूछ लिया है. Okay, let me go with the next. हाँ yes sir, it's your turn.
Okay.
Just wait for a second. Now I am asking sentences one by one. Just give the sequence. So first Sumit sir, then Ajay sir, then Anup sir, then Sarita ma'am, then Devidyal sir, and then Himanshu sir, or Suman ma'am. Who is remaining now? I think every member. I call the name every member.
It's
After
Yes
Suman
sir.
ma'am, your turn will come, Saraj sir.
Saraj sir है ना? Yes sir, your turn will come.
After Suman
Yes, and then Shiba ma'am in the last. Shiba ma'am will
Yeah.
your turn will
After
come.
Saraj sir, Shiva ma'am.
Okay. So what? I'm just asking some question one by one. Okay, I will not call the name of a particular person. You just have to speak. I will just ask some single sentence. Okay.
Okay.
मैं हर दिन कुछ नया सीखने की कोशिश करता हूँ.
Sorry to
Yes.
continue.
Okay, I am doing continue with my. Okay, so my first sentence है मैं हर दिन कुछ नया सीखने की कोशिश करता हूँ.
Okay, I try to learn every day something.
Am I
different.
audible, guys?
You are
Yes.
audible.
You are audible.
Yes.
I try to learn every day something different.
Please repeat once again, sir. I think.
I try to learn every day
Okay.
something different.
Okay, fine. So next sentence है वह समय पर.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
You are not audible to us.
yes,
sir.
there is network issue, Yogesh sir.
Network problem.
Yeah.
I think he left
Now
You
he's
listen?
as well. He
Right.
left.
Am I
every
audible?
day.
This time
Yes.
you are audible.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So next sentence है वह समय पर अपना
Just tell
काम
me
पूरा
after
करता है.
who my number will come.
After Saraj sir, your time will be there. Okay, you guys sir, please carry on.
या वह
Okay.
समय पर अपना काम पूरा करता है.
Please say.
He finishes his work on time.
Yes. he completes his work on time. What is going on? Actually, I'm not getting.
When your turn is not there, please mute yourself.
Yes,
Ajay,
guys.
Okay.
नहीं,
Yes, it will.
actually you told me that after Sumit sir, my turn.
no, after
So
Ajay sir.
I could not.
No,
No,
after Ajay sir.
I,
No, sir, your turn will come after Ajay. I gave the sequence again.
Okay, please again. Please say. Okay, well, ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please ask.
Yes. Okay. मुझे आज बहुत अच्छा महसूस हो रहा है.
मुझे आज बहुत अच्छा महसूस हो रहा है. So
Yes.
I am feeling today quite well.
Yes. Very nice. Next sentence है, वह अपनी गलती स्वीकार करने से नहीं डरता.
He doesn't get scared of accepting his mistake.
Yes, he's not afraid to accept his mistake. And your sentence is also right, ma'am. Okay. हम सबको एक दूसरे की मदद करनी चाहिए.
We all should help each other.
Very nice. Next sentence है, आत्मविश्वास सफलता की पहली सीढ़ी है. Whose turn?
After Devi Dayal sir, whose turn? Suman ma'am or Himanshu sir?
Devi Dayal sir has done.
Confidence is success.
Can you repeat, ma'am?
Confidence is key to success.
Yes, confidence is the first step towards success. Yes, right, ma'am. Okay, so next sentence है, वह बिना डरे अपनी राय रखता है.
Turn. He keeps his own view without fear.
After
Yes,
Himanshu
he.
sir.
Okay, so next sentence है, खुद पर विश्वास करना बहुत जरूरी है.
ये मेरी है क्या? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Believing on self is very important.
Very nice. गलतियां हमें बेहतर बनाती है.
Siba ma'am.
Mistake make us good person.
Mistakes make us better. Very nice. Okay. वह हर स्थिति में शांत रहता है.
He always live together in every situation.
Yes. Okay. वह अपने काम को लेकर बहुत गंभीर है.
Ajay sir.
He is very sincere about his work.
Yes. Nice. समय की पाबंदी एक अच्छी आदत है.
समय की पाबंदी.
Yes, sir.
Time restriction is a good habit. The time restriction
is the good habit. Am I right?
But we can use punctual, being punctual. समय की being punctual is a good habit. Okay, so next sentence है, मुझे अपनी जिम्मेदारियों का पूरा ध्यान रखना चाहिए.
I should remember my responsibilities. Sorry, I should remember my responsibilities.
Remember my responsibility for my duties. Yes, nice, ma'am. Okay, वह दबाव में भी सही फैसला लेता है. Whose
sir.
turn?
Devi sir turn.
Devi sir.
Sorry. Yes, sorry, sir.
Yes. Yeah, repeating again. वह दबाव में भी सही फैसला लेता है.
He takes good decision even in pressure.
Right.
Nice.
वेरी नाइस. मेहनत कभी बेकार नहीं जाती.
Suman ma'am.
Hard work not get wasted.
Hard work
Never.
never goes to waste.
Waste.
Yes. Yes, ma'am, right. मुझे अपनी अंग्रेजी सुधारने की जरूरत है.
I
I
need
need to
improve.
English.
This is my turn, sir. Okay, I need to improve my English.
नाइस. ओके. अभ्यास से ही आत्मविश्वास बढ़ता है.
Practice give us confidence. Practice give us self confidence.
That is right, sir. And we can make also confidence increases only through practice. You are
Yeah,
also
yeah.
right, sir. Yeah. वह हर दिन बोलने का अभ्यास करता है.
Shiva ma'am is there? She is not there. Okay, so could you can you repeat once more?
Yes, sir. वह हर दिन बोलने का अभ्यास करता है.
He used to practice every day. He used to speak every day.
हाँ. He practice speaking every day. Okay. So next sentence है, सीखने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती है.
There is no age of learning.
There is no age limit for learning. Yes, sir. Nice. धैर्य के साथ किया गया प्रयास सफल होता है.
धैर्य के साथ किए गए ना.
हाँ, किया गया प्रयास.
धैर्य के साथ patience is made with you is successful.
Little right. Effort made with patience becomes successful.
Made patience. Okay.
हाँ, effort made with patience becomes successful. Okay. गुस्से में लिया गया फैसला अक्सर गलत होता है.
Decision taken in
Anger.
Decision taken in anger always leads to wrong.
Leads to that can use, but we can use decision taken in anger are often wrong. Okay. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है, हमें नकारात्मक लोगों से दूर रहना चाहिए.
We should always ignore the negative people.
Okay. We should stay away from negative people. Yeah, we should avoid negative people. Right, sir. वह मुश्किल समय में भी सकारात्मक रहता है.
Suman ma'am.
He thinks positive in difficult situation.
Yes, he stays positive even in difficult times.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. But good effort, ma'am. Thanks for your effort. Okay. डर हमें आगे बढ़ने से रोकता है.
Fear stop to us to take next step to forward.
Can you repeat, sir?
Okay. Fear stop to us to take next step.
Fear stops us from moving
To take
forward.
moving forward. Yes.
Yes, sir. You are also right, sir. Okay, so next sentence है उम्मीद कभी नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए.
We should never
We
lose the hope.
Never lost.
हाँ, सर का टर्न है. हिमांशु सर, प्लीज रिपीट सर. हिमांशु सर, you can repeat it.
मैंने तो बोला ही नहीं. I didn't speak.
Who spoke so?
Ajay.
No, sir, it's not your turn.
Okay.
Your turn will come after, I think, Sumit sir, right?
Okay.
Yeah, please. Yeah. So now it's turn for Himanshu sir, I think. Okay. Asking the another sentence. Okay. हर फैसला सोच समझ कर लेना चाहिए.
We should take every decision after thinking.
Every decision should be taken carefully. Yeah, we should take decision after thinking. That is also right. जीवन में संतुलन बनाए रखना जरूरी है.
Shiva ma'am.
But ma'am, now
We
you're
should maintain. I'm speaking. Wait.
yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
We should balancing the things in our life. That is really important.
Maintaining balance in life is important. Very nice.
Okay.
सफलता और असफलता, सफलता और असफलता जीवन का हिस्सा है.
Okay, success and failure is the part of life.
Are the part of life. Good sir. Nice. सही समय पर सही कदम उठाना जरूरी है.
Ajay sir.
The right step on the right time is a boon.
Repeat sir. Can you repeat that? I
the
couldn't
right,
get it.
the right step on the right time is a boon.
Boon.
No.
Boon means I couldn't get.
Boon means
It's like
Means
boon means
beneficial thing, no?
Okay.
you
Yeah, maybe.
can be the right answer.
Taking the right step at the right time is important. Maybe you are correct, but I have no idea about the word boon.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Okay, not an issue. So next sentence है अनुभव हमें समझदार बनाता है.
Anup sir.
Anup sir.
Experience makes
make us बनाते हैं ना, make us
समझदार.
समझदार. समझदार. Oh sorry, make us
हाँ.
समझदार क्या बोलते?
Wisdom.
नहीं. Wiser.
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 Wise.
Yes, sir. Very nice, sir.
Sir,
Good
wise or
effort.
wiser?
Wiser.
Wiser.
Okay.
Wiser. Okay.
So next sentence है साफ और सरल भाषा में बोलना प्रभावी होता है.
Speaking in simple and easy.
Effective.
It's effective, yeah. Is effective.
हाँ. यस, करेक्ट मैम। ओके, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है सुनना भी एक अच्छी कला है।
When listening is an art. Listening
Yes, sir,
to
it is
is an
very
art.
simple for you, right?
Listening to is an art. Yeah, it's very simple.
ओके, सो नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है शब्दों का सही चुनाव बहुत जरूरी है।
Choices of are very important.
Choosing the right words, choosing the right
Yes.
words is very important. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है आत्मविश्वास के साथ बोलने से असर पड़ता है।
Speak with confidence, it do effect. It does effect.
हाँ, इसका थोड़ा ऐसे रहेगा, स्पीकिंग विथ कॉन्फिडेंस क्रिएट्स इम्पैक्ट या इट्स इम्पैक्ट। You are also right, sir, but little bit changes.
जी जी
हाँ, संवाद में कई समस्या हल हो जाती है।
By conversation, we can solve lots of problems.
Many problems are solved through communication. And your sentence also right, sir. हर दिन खुद को बेहतर बनाने की कोशिश करो।
Every day you should ev-
What happened, man?
बता दो, I'm getting confused. Yeah. I'm getting blank. Every day you
Okay.
should. What is the sentence actually?
हाँ, ओके, रिपीटिंग अगेन। हर दिन खुद को बेहतर बनाने की कोशिश करो।
बेहतर बनाने
Every day try to make yourself better. Make
Try
better.
to improve yourself every day. Very nice, ma'am. Your sentence is right.
Yeah, this is really simple.
छोटी छोटी आदतों पर बदलाव छोटी छोटी आदतें बड़ा बदलाव लाती है।
Okay, each minor's habit brings changing.
Small habits bring big changes. गुड सर, राइट, आपका राइट। मेहनत और लगन से सब कुछ संभव है।
अजय सर
अजय सर, योर टर्न।
Sincerity and laborious. By sincerity and the laborious, you can achieve, everything is possible.
Everything is possible with hard work and dedication. You can use laborious, perseverance, whatever. That should be relevant to the words. Right, sir, you are right. Okay. ऐसी असफलता हमें हार मानना नहीं सिखाती।
असफलता ना, so am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Failure does not teach us every reason.
No, लास्ट वाला थोड़ा अलग है। लास्ट में आपने थोड़ा
असफलता हमें हार नहीं सिखाती है।
असफलता हमें हार मानना नहीं सिखाती।
हार मानना नहीं सिखाते। अच्छा, defeat, do not defeat us. Failure does not teaches. Failure तो असफलता हो गया ना। Failure does not teaches us every moment
to give up.
To give up, okay.
हाँ, हार मानना यानी गिव अप हो गया सर।
Give up, yes, yes.
ओके, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है लक्ष्य पर ध्यान बनाए रखना जरूरी है.
Sir, please. Sorry, I didn't get first word.
हाँ, लक्ष्य पर ध्यान बनाए रखना जरूरी है.
Keep. It is essential to target on the goal.
It is essentially important to stay focused on the goal. Nice. आपका राइट है मैम. टारगेट भी राइट है. यू कैन यूज इट. वह अपनी सॉरी या आई एम नॉट गेटिंग सर. हु इज स्पीकिंग?
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, he is busy with some. You continue,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, no issue. वह अपनी कमजोरियों पर काम कर रहा है.
He is working on his weakness.
ओके. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है समय के साथ हमें खुद को बदलना पड़ता है. सुमन मैम, आई थिंक योर टर्न.
Sir, huh? Suman, she is not here.
Okay,
Sir,
so David.
Okay, this is
You
my
can make
turn,
it.
sir. After Suman. Okay. Please, could you repeat again to your sentence?
हाँ, समय के साथ हमें खुद को बदलना पड़ता है.
We need to change on time. We need to change ourselves on time. With time.
with time. Absolutely right, sir. हाँ. ओके, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है अवसर हर किसी को नहीं मिलता, उसे बनाना पड़ता है.
No one get opportunities. We have to create opportunities.
You can be right, sir, but sentence is like that. Opportunities are not given to everyone. They must be created. You can be right, sir. Okay. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है सफलता आराम क्षेत्र से बाहर निकलने पर मिलती है.
Success will get only after come out the comfortness. After
comfort zone.
coming out from comfort zone. Yeah.
Right, ma'am. Right. Okay. जो आज मुश्किल लगता है वही कल आसान हो जाता है.
Whatever
Sir, give Jyoti ma'am turn. She has joined. After Siva ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Jyoti ma'am, it's your turn. You can make one sentence.
Okay, so could you please repeat the sentence?
Okay, I am repeating, but I think you are not completely audible.
Okay, great. Now I'm audible to you?
Yes, you are. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so next sentence है जो आज मुश्किल लगता है वही कल आसान हो जाता है. Please make translation of this sentence.
Okay. Whatever you feel today is hard, this will easy tomorrow.
What feels difficult today become easy tomorrow. Nice, ma'am. Nice try. So next sentence है आत्म सुधार एक लगातार चलने वाली प्रतिक्रिया है.
Self improvement is the process of What was the next?
चलने वाली एक लगातार चलने वाली प्रक्रिया है.
Okay, self improvement is the regular improvement process.
Is a continuous process. self improvement is a continuous process.
Continuous process.
Okay.
Self
Yes, sir.
improvement is
Yes.
continuous.
हम्म सही सोच जीवन की दिशा बदल सकती है.
Ajay sir, your
Ajay sir.
Right thinking can change the direction of the life.
Very nice, sir. Absolutely right, sir. The next sentence है हर समस्या अपने साथ एक सीख लाती है.
Anup sir.
Anup sir, your turn, sir.
Unmute, sir. You are muted. Unmute.
Okay, I can then. Please repeat the sentence. I will speak.
Okay. हर समस्या अपने साथ एक सीख लाती है. सीख.
Yeah. All problem teaches us a lesson. It brings us
Every
lesson.
problem. Every problems. Son.
Brings a lesson.
Yeah, bring. You can use it. Okay. So next sentence है सफलता पाने के लिए धैर्य जरूरी है.
Patience is important. Patience is necessary to get success.
Good sir, nice sentence. जो खुद पर विश्वास करता है वही आगे बढ़ता है.
You believe on self, so one day you success.
What was that? You believe? Can you repeat, ma'am?
You believe on self, so one day you success. All self.
इसका ऐसा होगा the one who believes in himself moves forward. Yeah, get success you can use. Okay.
Sorry
हाँ
for the call.
हाँ okay, no issue. So okay. अच्छी आदतें जीवन को बेहतर बनाती है.
Good
I
habits
think
make better life.
I think I asked these sentence. Okay.
जी change.
हाँ, आत्मविश्वास बोलने की झिझक कम करता है.
Could you repeat again? Because your voice was fumbling.
आत्मविश्वास बोलने की झिझक कम करता है.
Confidence remove to hesitation for speech.
Yes, right, sir. Confidence reduce hesitation.
To speak.
In speaking
or
या to
communication.
speak.
Communication.
To speak use कह सकते हैं सर. Yes.
जी.
Okay. लक्ष्य के बिना प्रयास बेकार होता है.
Without goal, your effort is worthless.
That's right. सही सोच मुश्किल को अवसर में बदल देती है.
Jyoti ma'am.
Okay, right thing. Sorry, sir. Could you please repeat the sentence, please?
Yes. सही सोच मुश्किल को अवसर में बदल देती है.
Okay, right thinking convert the difficulties in
Opportunity.
So,
Yes, right, into opportunities. Very nice. So next sentence है संयम पर काम करना सबसे बड़ा निवेश है. यानी
समय पर काम
इन्वेस्टमेंट.
करना सबसे बड़ा निवेश है, right?
नहीं, संयम पर काम करना, खुद पर काम करना सबसे बड़ा निवेश है।
This one. Okay. Okay. सबसे बड़ा निवेश है. The okay. The most important invest is that to work on ourselves.
इसका ऐसे है सर, वर्किंग ऑन आवर सेल्फ इज द बिगेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट।
Working
Yes,
on ourselves is the biggest
you
investment.
you also spoke right, sir. Okay. हमें अपने डर को अपनी ताकत बनाना चाहिए। अजय सर।
He left. He joined us.
यस अजय सर, योर टर्न। हमें अपने डर को अपनी ताकत बनाना चाहिए।
Not audible. Ajay sir, you are not audible. Not audible, sir.
We should make our fear to strength. कुछ
हाँ, into strength. Yes, sir. Absolutely right.
Please
Okay.
give me the right answer.
Yes, we should turn our fear into strength. That is
Okay.
the correct one. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So निरंतर अभ्यास से आत्मविश्वास आता है।
Anup sir?
He's not.
Yes.
Yeah, he's here.
Yes, I am here.
Sir, you're not audible, Anup sir. Increase your
Okay,
volume.
Actually, I want to open the call.
Okay. Am I audible now?
हाँ, yes, sir.
आपने प्लीज अगेन रिपीट अगेन क्वेश्चन।
हाँ, निरंतर अभ्यास से आत्मविश्वास आता है।
कांस्टेंट प्रैक्टिस कम्स कॉन्फिडेंस।
कॉन्फिडेंस कम्स फ्रॉम
प्रैक्टिस।
हाँ, yes.
Confidence comes from
Regular.
continuous practice.
Yes, sir.
नहीं,
Continuous
थोड़ा
practice.
पहले बोल दिया कांस्टेंट
हाँ.
कंटेंट प्रैक्टिस कम्स कॉन्फिडेंस।
Your sentence is right, sir. You just spoke one side before the other one.
ओके सर।
हाँ, you are right. Okay, so next sentence है सही दिशा में किया गया प्रयास। नहीं, ये तो पूछ लिया मैंने, सॉरी। जो सीखना बंद करता है वही पीछे रह जाता है।
Who stopped learning? He lagging behind.
The one who stop learning falls behind, या lag behind भी बोल सकते हो। हाँ, lag behind। नहीं, लैगिंग नहीं होगा, वो lag behind ही होगा ये तो।
Lag.
हाँ, ओके, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है सही समय पर चुप रहना भी जरूरी होता है।
Keeping silence on right time is too necessary, essential.
ओके। आत्मसम्मान में समझौता नहीं करना चाहिए।
Do not sacrifice on your self-confidence.
हाँ, one should not।
ऐसा ही होगा ना?
हाँ, ऐसा ही है। One should not compromise on self-respect. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So next है मेहनत का कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं होता।
There is no shortcut for hard work.
There is no shortcut to hard work. Very nice. Okay. Uh, हर दिन खुद को बेहतर बनाने का मौका देता है.
Every day gives to us to make better. No. Every day give to make better. Every day give to make better.
Every day give chance to improve yourself. Yeah, make yourself better.
But
Yes, sir.
what was your sentence? Could you repeat again?
हर दिन खुद को बेहतर बनाने का मौका देता है.
Okay, every day give to us chance to make better.
हाँ, yes sir. Make yourself better. Yes sir. Okay. Last sentence है वह अपनी बात शांति और स्पष्टता से रखता है.
He keep his conversation with peace and clear.
Calmly and clearly. He expressed his thoughts calmly and clearly. And peace be you can
Okay.
use. Yes, that is also
Calmly
right.
suited better.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so we have done the sentence practice round. So I hope you enjoy the session today. And now I would like to hand over this session to Mr. Sumit sir. So please try to manage, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much, Yogesh sir. Really, we all enjoyed a lot. By the way, we were facing the problem while making sentence correct, but still we tried a lot to make. And actually, we were feeling that how much it's going to be difficult for us. We feel that we all are good at all in conversation, but still we are making some error while making sentence. It means there is need to work on ourselves. There is need to really means ki go for the means ki there is need to effort for it. There is need to heartily and with the full of attention work on it. We are really realizing these things, sir. Because of this session, we felt it today, and we are going to commit ourselves. We will work on it as well, and we will completely also give our 100% for making proper sentence with grammatical, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the thing.
And one more thing, sir, I want to add here as actually what we are enjoying the session that suppose that I am giving one sentence to one person. So with that, whole the members, they are also translating in their mind. I
Right.
make sure that every member, they are making the same sentence, they are translating.
Yes. That is true. That is completely true,
So
Yogesh
it
sir.
is a
Whenever you
type
give
of,
any sentence to anyone, na,
yes, it is a good activity that like one should, they also trying to convert
exactly.
in their mind,
We
like what can
all
be.
yes. This is really active session.
Right. That's what
Yes.
I had that you translate while speaking. Right. So really, Yogesh sir, there is no doubt we all enjoyed a lot, and we felt something different today in today's session because of you. And I seems that also Ajay sir, like there was first day for him. We all seems that he also enjoyed a lot in our today's session because he is also responding here like from his side emotions and you can say emoji expression. So we are getting that also he's enjoyed. But in the last, we will welcome him to speak to know, get aware about his actually overall experience of today's first day session. By the way, from my side, thank you so much for you, Vesar, you to make this much effectful and meaningful session. Thank you. So stop recording, you, Vesar. Wait, I stop.